Hi. In this video, we are going to see the bill of material process. We are in the MDM tab. First, go to Product. From here, we can find products using multiple filters. I am using the product type filter and selecting finished good to find the product. Next, click on Find. Scroll down to view the list of finished goods. Then click on the product ID to open the product. Here, the product details are displayed. To create an association, also known as a manufacturing bill of material, click on Associations. In the Product ID field, the finished good product selected by default. In the Product ID to field, enter the raw material product. I am selecting a product using the lookup option. Find the product. And to select product, click on Product ID. Next, select the association type from the drop-down, and here choose Association Type Manufacturing Bill of Materials. Then enter the quantity of the raw material required for the association. You can enter the other available details if needed. After that, click on the Create button. Now, the product association has been created successfully. In the same way, you can create associations with multiple products. Thank you for watching video.